today I wanted to talk about 3 items, because if y'all know, and if y'all are anything like me, you know, you're particular about how you spend your money. I always want things that can be a good investment piece for me, and that I can wear it season after season, year after year, and not feel like I bought something out of freaking regret. I have Saint Laurent. I like to leave all my stuff in its original packaging. It just makes me feel like every time that I open it up, I feel special, and I know that I did this for me. All right, so I made copies of what I purchased. The first one is the Opyum Ankle Boots in leather with black heel. It has a pointed toe. It's structured heel comprised of interlaced YSL monogram in metal and zipper closing on the side. So I said all that to tell y'all that this heel hurt. This boot hurts. If y'all own anything by YSL, then you know that they hurt. But baby, is she not worth it? Is everything about her not worth it? So the one that I chose, because if you guys have ever been on their website, they have several. I wanted the really chic. I felt like this was so chic. I could wear it with everything. I love the fact that the heel was matte completely, right? And it had the little side zipper. Honey, when I tell you that when I saw her on the website, how much I fell in love, I just didn't know that my feet would feel the way they feel in her. She is not really that comfortable. But beauty is pain, and being that my name is Beau, beauty is pain. Inside, I just want to show you guys the construction. This is all leather, Napa leather. And the leather is so supple, it does not crack. Like I said, we're a year in, does not crack. Now, I don't really wear these that much, but I plan to start wearing them a bit more. They did not scuff too bad on the bottom for me, right? You would have to really get up close to see that I do have scratching and wear and tear on the shoe. Can y'all see that? But they did not scuff too bad for me. They did not crease too bad for me, because the leather is really soft and supple. Like, even when you touching it, it's not like one of those boots that you put on and you really can't get into it. The way my filming setup is set up right now is really not set up for me to show y'all me walking in the boots. But please trust and believe, if I put this on, it's so fitted, and I'm probably just gonna slide it on real quick and just raise my leg in the air to kind of show y'all. It is so fitted and chic. Zips, even if you have a wide calf. Let me turn this way. Even if you have a wide calf, right, this is gonna come right up under there, and it's gonna zip in there, baby. She is so sexy, so cute. I know I usually show y'all me walking in them and everything. Fits really comfortable, even though the toe is super narrow and I have a wide foot. I ordered these in a 40, so I have enough room to where my toes are not like clutched up in there. I normally wear 8.5 to a 9 in high heel shoes, so I ordered these in a 40, which I think is a 10 in their thing, so definitely size up. But y'all, beautiful. This is one that you can wear with a dress, with a skirt, with a pant, want to do jeans, whatever. You can really, this is going to be a showstopper, because this is just a beautiful, 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 beautiful boot. No complaints, no complaints. I always get compliments about this shoe when I wear it. So on to the next one, because baby, y'all know how I am about my shoes and stuff. This is definitely one though, y'all, that I would definitely say. And you know what, in all honesty, if you wanted to wear this like in the summer or spring, I would probably say you could, especially if you're pairing it with a skirt, maybe even like a blue jean skirt, or like a little, you know, some type of little fun skirt. You really could, but I just feel like it's an all-purpose shoe. I really felt like it was a good investment for me. If you have never purchased with them before, everything in this particular box, of course, you have all your papers, your envelopes, everything. You have 2 dusters here for your shoes. So yeah, that's just me. I like everything to stay how it goes. Y'all, I hope I'm pronouncing these correctly. This is the Etienne. It's either Etienne or Etienne. It's Etienne. These are the ankle boots in smooth leather. They're 100% calfskin, 3.7 inch heel. The other one, 100% sheepskin leather, 4.3 inch heel. So this heel is definitely much taller than the heel that I'm about to show you guys. The other one, the box was much shorter. 2 dusters here, so I'm just gonna pull out one. And of course I printed them out. I did purchase them on the website, but I just sometimes like to print everything out, because originally I was gonna like try to cut the picture of the boot and put it on the outside of the box so I know which was which, and then I was just like, no, I'm just gonna fold this up and put it in there. So this is your ankle boot. Ankle boots with a pointed toe and cone stiletto heel. The heel on this is just featuring an elasticized gathered ankle, so it gathers around the ankle. It's 100% calf skin leather. Total heel height is 9.5 centimeters, which is 3.7 inches. It has the leather sole, and so let's get into this boot. So immediately out of the package, this is another one. This is just so dainty. It gathers around the ankle, y'all, and then just kind of like softly flares around the top. There is that cone heel that I was describing to y'all. It's kind of like, you know, that little fat at the top, and it just goes down like a little ice cream cone. So cute. Pointed toe, y'all. I have been in these and walked around in these all day. Let me show you. Even on the bottom, you'll see like the wear and tear, but it's not like a lot. So I love that about the shoes, because if I cross my legs, you know, the bottom of my shoes still look good. Of course, you have your true everything right here on the bottom, the Saint Laurent, made in Italy, size 40. So the only thing is, let me see before I say that, because I don't think they send extra shoe tabs. Oh yes, they do. They just come in the little pack like this, right? So when your tabs wear down, you can take them to a cobbler or send them off to the cobblers. Like for me, I'm bow-legged, so all my tabs kind of like wear on the side. But yes, I mean, just the attention to detail in this shoe, y'all, is, I really don't know what to tell y'all other than if you don't have this in your collection, this is one that I would personally add to my collection. Now this one I do feel is more of a fall to winter boot. I personally have never worn these in the summer or the spring. I have with the other, just because they're so sleek and they're so form fitted to the true form of your foot. Almost like they are personally customized for you. This one, however, I just always got fall and winter vibes from it. So it is, for me, it has become more seasonal than like an all-purpose, but I still love that because it's so classy. And last but not least, here is the purse that I actually purchased. And I want to say this one is called the Kaia Medium Satchel in smooth leather. It has the metal YSL knocker. It has vegetable tanned leather. It's adjustable or detachable shoulder strap. It has an adjustable or detachable shoulder strap. I sat on the website a long time just trying to find a purse that I felt would be like an everyday purse. And although I think this one was saying like it was a, I can't remember if it was supposed to be like a camera bag. It was something along the lines of that. I thought that it would be a cute everyday purse, and I didn't see anybody else with this one. So that was another thing that persuaded me to get a Saint Laurent monogram medium satchel bag with flap featuring a metal YSL knocker, adjustable and detachable shoulder strap made from vegetable tanned leather. The piece will develop an individual patina over time, 100% calf skin leather, and then it gives the dimensions, but everything's cut off. So let's just go ahead. It comes in its duster. Of course, I think I showed you guys all your inserts, but and inside the duster it has like another bag that it sits inside of, right? just to protect it, because a lot of times when you have those leathers and they're super supple like that, they scratch really easily. Like, I don't know if y'all can see on the back of this one, but you can kind of see I've got like a few little scratches. Ouch. See, that's probably another one. See, like right there, there's a little scratch or whatever. I mean, not like here. So you can definitely tell like I wear the purse, but because of how supple the leather is, it definitely does get some wear and tear to show. So just to get into it, show you guys, this is how it looks here. That's why they're detachable. And I felt like this is just like an everyday bag, like that I can wear and still go out, and you see everything. On the inside, you definitely, right here, you have like a little opening here. Of course, more of your authenticity and everything is in there. It's deep enough. Look, I can get all the way down to my fingers and above my wrist in there. So it's deep enough and wide enough to hold a lot of stuff. I don't know if that's like suede on the inside. I'm trying to get close enough for where you guys can see. I feel like it is, but I'm not sure, but I think that it is. Those are my 3, I feel like, evergreen purchases that you can get from YSL that will make you stand out, that are things that you will actually use, and it's not just sitting up collecting dust or anything like that. Although the matte boot heel, it is a bit, when you first put it on, she is that girl. She will remind you kind of like the So Kate and everything like that, but this is definitely it's not just undoable to walk in, but you do have to get acclimated to that shoe, versus this one you can put on the same day and you will go. All right, bag matches with both, so that's a win-win for me. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. Go ahead, check out some of my older content or newer content, binge watch it, support your girl. You can support me by just watching to the end, guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys next video. Bye. Maybe, I don't know, but I'm going out this weekend and I'm going YSL, honey. Hey Jim, thanks for watching my video today. Make sure you check out my previous video, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe, okay? If you're new to my channel, become fam, click subscribe, and follow me on my social networks. Bye.